Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back here with my session of how to live trade Forex today, 2022, June the 7th, right? Okay, today is the Tuesday, and yesterday Boris Johnson has successfully win the confidence vote. Okay, so yes, I guess we are going to pay more attention to the pound. All right, so currently, okay, what we are going to do is that first of all, okay, erase whatever happened yesterday. Okay, so just stay focused on what's going to happen today. We are going to plan for today. All right, so just keep a lookout. All right, okay, so I guess today will be a day that we just need to focus a little bit on trading and to analyze out what's going to happen before we take action, right? Just like yesterday, pound yen, right? We are talking about pound yen during my live session, right? So in my live session, we did not take any action against this pound yen. So we actually monitor, and indeed it actually from the point, okay, from the point that we are monitoring, and it actually I would say that it's actually it actually zoom up to about 200 pips. Am I right? Okay, so continue to buy. So yes, around there. Okay, so just today we got to study carefully before we take action. All right. So guys who are new to my YouTube channel, this session I will be doing up a live analysis with all of you to pick up the potential pairs. Okay, to pick out the potential currency pairs to focus for the day. All right, most likely it's on the first half. Right, then we will go on to the next session with live trading together. All right, so if you are new to my channel, remember to smash the like button to show your little small token of appreciation. All right, and for my video over here, and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get updates as well as ring out the bell for the notification, right? So okay, now what we are going to do is that let's jump into our MT4, please. All right, MT4. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is that over here I am going to focus on picking out the currency pairs. All right, pick out the currency pairs. Okay, so right now, what are we going to do? We are going to focus here. All right, Aussie CAD over here. Yes, Aussie CAD. So Aussie CAD tentatively, by looking at this, is actually returning down to the prevailing bear trend to retest the bull zone. Correct? The bull zone which is right at the bottom here. Okay, so tentatively, if that's the case, I'm going to look out for selling as we were talking about it yesterday. Selling, I want to break the support before I start selling. So the support stands the same. Correct, it's the same. There's the same level of support here. So tentatively we are still testing. Okay, so there's for the last 4 hours we have RBA rates, so there's a big boom movement over here. Tentatively, okay, it is still testing on the support, which right now is testing to break the support as well. So we are going to look out for a selling after it has break the support with a retesting. All right, of this support, which eventually will become a resistance, then I will start trading. All right. Okay, so today can I focus on this? Aussie CAD? I would say that tentatively by looking at it is still good. Okay, I will be focusing on the selling on the Aussie CAD, but we need to break the support before we can do any trading. Okay, so yes, now I'm gonna put this. As into my watch list. All right, so Aussie CAD over here. Yes, okay. So next to go Aussie franc. Let's take a look at Aussie franc right now. Okay, Aussie franc. So Aussie franc over here, we are actually moving towards the north to retest the bear zone once again. So to retest this bear zone once again, all right. And what we are going to look out for is actually a selling trade, right? So because I actually this morning because of the RBA rates and started to raise. Okay, then after that it rises, but it doesn't break the into the resistance zone. So tentatively, what we are talking about is that this is something that is still within our selling trend, right? It's still in the selling trend. It looks like, but because of the retracement over here, okay, it hits on the moving support and now it's moving upwards right now, and it seems like it's going to form like a very hawkish, I would say it's a very hawkish movement. Okay, over here. So tentatively buying or selling, should I go for? All right. So do you have an idea? Right. If you don't have an idea, okay. So that's the trick. Let's move down. Okay, the trend over here. Right. Look at this. Tested. Okay, and it went up. Rejected. Correct. Well, it's rejected now. So that means to say there's one of the resistance around in this area is actually quite strong. So that actually rejected now for 60 over pips. Yes, that is correct. So right now, okay, today what we are going to look out for is that since it's been rejected for Aussie franc, let's take a look. Are we into this resistance has been tested over here, up here, correct? Resistance up here, being tested over here, the resistance, correct? If we shrink down, you can see, all right, this level, okay, this level, it has stopped here somewhere, all right? So the resistance is somewhere here. Tentatively, by looking at this, all right, it is still moving in a very, very smooth buying trend. So I'm not going to touch anything because it looks like a selling, but it's still moving in the buying. So it seems like a 50-50. It can go either way. So in that case, for this instance, I'm not going to touch this. All right. Okay, so Aussie yen, same thing. All right, the yen is getting very weak early in this morning. So now, okay, it is actually moving towards this way that I'm thinking that it should be testing on the resistance over here. So tentatively, the resistance over here is currently being tested once. So are we going to sell since it's testing on the resistance? By looking at the trend round right now, it is not good to sell. Okay, so we'll just stay away. All right. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. So Aussie Kiwi right now is still on the way to the moon. After we saw this higher support has started to form up, so we have stopped the Aussie Kiwi. So skip this. Aussie dollar, once again, Aussie dollar over here, Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar, while we going to for a selling today, yeah, looks like it's going to retest the zone again. All right, retest the support. So tentatively, by looking at this, right, we have a selling opportunity. So yes, we looks like we have a selling opportunity. Okay, so over here and over here. Okay, over here, this is the high side coming for lower resistance. After it retest and now come back again, and now it looks like it's coming for another lower resistance. So there's a lower resistance selling at the lower price. That means to say there is a selling trend because sellers are still willing to sell way below the price, and it shows that the selling momentum is still there. However, support is still here. So for this instance, I will prefer to wait for it to break the support before I start selling. When it breaks the support with a new resistance below the support, as will eventually become a resistance, then I will start selling. Okay, so this is for Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, because it has quite near. All right, so we are able to focus for this. We have about 20 over pips to go, so I think that's quite good. Right, Euro Aussie. As for Euro Aussie over here, we are setting up with a higher support, higher support, higher support right now. So after retesting the support, it got rejected up. So this is more likely to be a buy than a sell. Okay, so EUROCAD over here, EUROCAD. EUROCAD, are we going for a selling? Now we are back to the retesting. After last week, we have been talking about retesting. It really went down and retest the bull zone here. Yes, it's actually testing on the bull zone, correct? So right here is testing on the bull zone, and this is where the turbulence areas are. So I'm not going to touch this as well. Well, Euro Pound, same thing, is still going on the buy side. However, because of the situation, and I'm not going to touch this. All right, the situation of the war right now, okay, between the Ukraine and Russia. So I'm not going to touch this as well. And how about Euro Yen? Is this Euro Yen good? Yeah, Euro Yen is good for buying, not for selling. Okay, so tentatively, I'm not going to touch this Euro Yen for selling. I'm going to wait for a further notice as Euro Yen. I actually plotted this early in this year, but then until now, 6 months down the road, then it started to break out. Okay, so it doesn't hold. Okay, so I'm going to look out for a higher one that let's see if can hold this price. Okay, so tentatively Euro Yen is still good for buying, not for selling, right? Okay, let's move again to Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi over here, Euro Kiwi, we are still on the buy side. So we are in the bull, like I say, in the bull, retested the support and it's landing. If you have forgotten, let me remind you again. This is a landing chart, and over here it started to take off. So right now, I'm not going to touch this for Euro Kiwi. Buying is possible, but selling is no. Okay. All right. How about Euro Dollar? Euro Dollar over here. Yeah, let's take a look at Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar, right now, we are also looking out for a buying. So over here, this way, when it went up, it started to retrace downward. It's the retesting. So I'm going to look out for a support level, okay, where this has to be changed. Okay, the support over here, resistance here. Okay, the resistance still stands the same. So over here, we can see from this area, Euro Dollar, first of all, the trend is buying trend. So we are going for a bull. So tentatively for buyers, hang on to let it go down for another about 20 pips. Test on the support. Once the support is not broke, then it will be a good time for you to buy. Okay, so this is for Euro Dollar. So tentatively Euro Dollar, Euro as nothing in my list right now. So let's skip. Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, it looks like we are still going on the downward trend. Okay, still going on the downward trend, retesting, but this is no good. All right, because we are now into the bull zone, and the bull zone has created a buying signal. Buying is possible. Okay, so let's skip. Right, Pound CAD. Let's take a look at Pound CAD. Yes, Pound CAD, we are now still in the selling. Like yesterday, I was saying. Okay, let's wait for Pound CAD to retrace upwards, to retest the bull zone and come back again. And this shall be a good one. So Pound CAD is focused for selling. Okay, but however, we must break the support. Pound CAD is good for selling. However, we must break the support. Okay, we must break. Okay, so this is very important. All right. So okay, so Pound franc over here. Let's take a look at Pound franc. Pound franc, yeah, is tested on the bull zone, but he's on the build up a support, and immediately yesterday it went up. Correct. So yeah, so today we are back here again, and it's still quite struggling. So in this case, I'm going to skip. This is not a very clear direction. There's no clear directions for us to go. Okay, so next to go for Pound Yen. All right, Pound Yen. Let's take a look. Pound Yen, tentatively, by looking at this, you can see how many days that we're actually going for a buying. So roughly, okay, over here, I'm going to take note of this resistance level, which is about 167.594. and this is somewhere that I will be looking out for. Okay, in this case, all right, let me plot in we are in the buying mode now to reach that resistance. So will there be a chance that we have any chance that we are going to sell? All right, so if you are looking at this point, okay, if you are looking at this point over here, right, there will be a this is the transition area where this area will have some rejections, some pullbacks. Okay, so over here, currently maybe like now is having a pullback, but I would say that it's still moving on the buy side. So pound yen tentatively, I'm not going to touch this until a further rejections or any clear conditions situation that comes along. Then I will start trading. So pound yen, I'm going to skip this. All right. Okay, so yes, pound yen, Roger. Yes, we will still discuss about pound yen as we can learn a lot of things from this run. Okay, okay. So let's move again to pound kiwi. Now, pound kiwi is actually in the bull. It actually went out to the bull and retest the support, but it failed to break down. Okay, so it will continue to move towards the north. So tentatively, buying is still possible. However, buyers have to look out for resistance level, which is around here. Okay, I would say it's here. All right, so right now, okay, this will be the resistance. Okay, so you have you still have some space. Okay, about 30 pips to grab. Other than that, seller stay away. Okay, seller has to stay away. All right, so next to go, pound dollar. So taking a look at pound dollar, we are now retracing downwards from the door to the bull and are coming back for a selling. So where is the support? The support stands still, no change. Okay, no change. So as of now, we are still, if I'm going to sell, I'm going to wait for pound dollar to break the support over here. Then we have a new resistance below, testing the support as a resistance. Then I will start selling. Other than that, I'm going to wait. All right. So I'm going to put pound dollar into my watch list. Okay, so pound dollar, it may be good. Okay, it looks good to me because it's actually breaking out the support very soon. Okay, after it breaks the support, all right, so let it retest the support as a resistance before we start trading. Okay, well, dollar CAD looks like dollar CAD is going strong. Okay, so dollar, it looks like it's going strong for today. So let's see, it has tested on the support where we have plotted yesterday. And now, since it has tested yesterday, right now we are still moving on the high side to retest the resistance. So over here, as of this, we can see this resistance has broken. And now the next one that we are moving up, it will be here. All right, it will be this resistance. So buyers can still continue to buy. I guess it is still good. All right. Okay, so dollar franc. How about dollar franc? Dollar franc, we are also have a big 2 weeks ago we have a big drop and then started to retrace. So today we are still looking out for buying. However, we are very near to the resistance, and perhaps there may be some this resistance may be of some help that it will start to tell us the end of the retracement. Then it will start coming back for a selling. Okay, so pay attention to this, but this may be the second half of the day. All right, it will likely to be second half of the day. Okay, so dollar yen. Well, dollar yen, same thing, dollar yen. Let's take a look, dollar yen. I have plotted this bear zone for since quite a while. Then this has been finally it reaches and touches this. Is still going up for a buy. So dollar is still very strong, correct? Okay, so what makes it so strong? I guess as we can see, dollar has implemented US has implemented a lot of measures, and also telling us that many things is going to change for the better of the Americans' life. So things are turning onto the positive side right now. So currently, dollar is quite strong against the yen. Of course, the yen plays a part where it actually gets a lot of weakening effect from different factors of the economy. So over here, so we are, for sellers like me, I'm going to stay away from trading dollar yen. Okay, not even pullback. Okay, not even pullback. Right? Okay, so yes, let's move again. Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin yesterday. Okay, it has tested on the 32 and finally came down again to 30 31.7. Okay, 31.7. So after 31.7, it started to swing down to look out for another support level to give a better push on the next round. So I guess probably we have to wait and be patient to wait for this Bitcoin to find the right support, and so that we can go in for a buy trade. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. Let's see quickly. Okay, I know I'm a bit rushing, but hopefully I can catch up with time. Okay. All right. So for the live trading session. All right. So let's see what do we have here. Okay. And right now, okay, let's see over here. Okay, what are we going to focus today? And now let's see what we're going to focus today first. Okay. Let's show all of you here. Okay, we are going to focus on Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, pound CAD, and pound dollar. Right? Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, pound CAD, and pound dollar. Right? Okay, guys, that's all for today. I guess it's pretty good. All right. So I shall see you guys later on in my live trading session. Remember to smash the like button to show your token of appreciation for me to create this video live, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you know I will be going live with you in your live trading, as well to ring up the bell so that you receive the notification. Then there you will be right on time with me. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Wish you good luck in your trading and bountiful of profits. Thank you so much.